Today, we're going to build a Hammerhead using 4 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1L bar with sides on ends. So you got 2 studs on the end. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab 2 minifigure binoculars. And if you look at the minifigure binocular, you've got that little indentation where you can attach to a stud. So I'm going to attach it to these end studs of my 1L bar. So those thicker ends are facing the back to create the engines to my Hammerhead to give it that power and speed it needs to ram its enemies. And now I've got the engines, but I don't have the ramming part, the front of my Hammerhead. And to create the front of my Hammerhead, I'm going to grab a minifigure hammer. That's right, minifigure hammer for my Hammerhead. Now you've got the flat end where you like hit the nail, and you got the claw, the pointy end in the back so you can pull up a nail if you make a mistake. So what I like to have that pointy end or the claw of the hammer facing up. So I've got those engines on the side. I'm going to put the handle into the end of my 1L bar. So the pointy end is sticking up and you got the flat end on the bottom. And here is a completed Hammerhead starship to ram the enemy with brute force.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.